Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man Chris Briggs, back again with another video, back again with some more goodies today. Yes, today has been a great day. It's only been one thing, bro. Look, got the notification that the kicks have arrived, you feel me? I wasn't even paying attention to them. When they get here, they're gonna get here. Go outside, look at the box, and I see that my box was kinda like this. Know what I'm saying? Like, my box was like that. Easily openable. I just look and I could just go inside, reach in and grab the kicks. Like, I don't know, was my boy in the UPS like, yo, I know that ain't what I think it is. Like, you know what I'm saying? Reached all the way in there, was investigating, really contemplating whether he wanted the job or not. Like, I don't even know, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, man was about to, dang. Okay, hold on. So did he look in the box, open my kicks, look at my shoes, think if they was worth taking, say, nah, put them back in a bag and just deliver them? Damn. Shouldn't even make no sense. Luckily, we were able to get these kicks, able to get them in person, and everything was all good. So, I mean, I guess we can go ahead and skip the unboxing, you feel me? Boom. Nice little again. What's going on, man? Nice little standard Nike box, little orange box. I wasn't looking forward to this box at all. I was hoping they would give me a better looking box, but I forgot that they come in this box. So, without further ado, the kick that we picked up for today is the Nike Dunk Low Mars Stones. Yes, the Nike Dunk Low Mars Stone, coming at you looking nice and premium, if I do say so myself. First thing that takes me by surprise is the way that they blocked it all off. You know, this is all like a brown suede in the middle, and then also at the toe there's going to be some leather here. Also, these are very clean, very nice, very luxury looking shoes. I was worried how the Nike Dunks were going to look, man, because on pictures, bro, a lot of them don't look constructed well. They look kind of constructed like kids' Air Forces. Those who know what I mean when I say that. These are looking nice. We're looking at a nice little brown midsole. I got these in a size 10. Not sure how they fit. I'm going to go ahead and give a nice true on-foot review, real review, all of that. Just give me some time, I'll get it to you. Nice little midsole. Boom. I feel like the ones in the Dunks are just the greatest shoes to collect, in my opinion, because I feel like they hold up the most well. I honestly have some other kicks that I added to the list that I just need to collect, also different brands and all of that. It's just these right here are crazy. You don't want to sleep on these. These didn't sell out. They probably might be sold out now, but I know when they initially dropped, I was just able to go on the website and I was contemplating for like a good hour and a half if I wanted to scoop these up. But listen, if you ever thinking in your mind, should I scoop these kicks up? Should I not scoop them up? You probably should just scoop them up, because there's gonna come a time where you're looking to buy them again and the price is gonna be triple what you thought it was gonna be. So look, for example, people who's like, yo, I wanna cop Yeezys, but I don't really know if I should cop Yeezys. You should probably start copying you some Yeezys, because if you wait 3 more years, bro, it's wraps. I'm saying, I was looking at some Kobe 9s the other day, bro. I just want some highs. Kobe 9 highs, $600. I was looking at phone posits, $600. Listen, bro, I know I got some kicks and all, but money does not grow on trees. All right, so when it comes to the sneaker unboxing for today, it was a Nike Dunk Low Mars Stone. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Comment section down below. Let me know. More kicks coming soon. Chris Briggs signing out.